I gotta place it twice? Why do I have to press it twice? Twice, come on. So these shoes, this is where I've been sleeping. This is my couch surf spot. Those are my 2 blankets. I always pack it up so it looks nice. Here's my shit, my book, my wallet. That's just already getting done. My friends just want to hang out. It's a nice apartment. So I got the laundry drying, got the hoodies washed. Mom Mary gave me some wool socks that had black in them. So all these white shirts got black on them, including this pants. Looked fucking super gray. Like you heard him say he wanted that. If he has that shirt design, I'll just throw him a shirt because he's the homie. And then we'll be even, but at least I'm fucking a little bit high right now. Fuck, it was so stressful. You know, they were stressing because it was so hard.